section of EIGRP. In this section, we're going through some details of this protocol. The first thing is hello packets. Hello packets are exchanging between routers. Hello packets are used to discover and also maintain the adjacency between those routers. It means that those neighborship that we established in previous videos are working with these hello packets. Now I want to show you how much is the time between these hello packets directly in Cisco. So we can check this by connecting to the routers, for example main router and building A. In main router, I want to see my neighbors, and also, if it is possible, I want to see my neighbors on interface fast 10. You can find that 10.116, which is building B router, is a neighbor, and this is the hold time and this is the up time for all of this. And building B router I want to shut this interface, and now in main router we can find that this whole timer 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the neighborship goes down. So the whole time for a neighbor in EIGRP is 15 seconds, and the hello time, which is a time between hello packets, is 5 seconds. It means that if a router does not receive any hello packet for 3 times 15 seconds, change that neighbors in down state. We can modify this time in EIGRP. After entering in the configuration, there is an option in AF interface default or a defined interface for hello interval. We can set, for example, 20. The time between hello packet is 20, and also for the hold time, which is good to have the whole time as 3 times as hello packet. So now let's do no shot that interface router building B, and also check EIGRP configuration. And set the hello time and hold time to the default 1.